The greatest turning point in your life will never begin with a lucky break, a perfect opportunity, or someone else believing in you first. It begins the moment you decide to face the truth that has been waiting quietly inside your own heart. Inspired by the timeless wisdom of Dr. Joseph Murphy, this message invites you to stop searching for shortcuts and start discovering the incredible power that already exists within your own mind. Every person dreams of a better life, yet only a few are willing to accept the responsibility that comes with creating it. Most people spend years waiting for the perfect time, the perfect conditions, or the perfect amount of confidence before taking action. They tell themselves they will begin tomorrow, next week, next month, or when life finally becomes easier. But tomorrow keeps moving further away because fear always finds another excuse. The hard truth is that life changes only when you change. Nothing outside of you can permanently improve until something inside of you transforms first. The way you think determines the way you act. The way you act determines the habits you build, and the habits you build eventually shape the life you live. This is why your greatest investment is not money, popularity, or possessions. Your greatest investment is your own mind. Every single thought you repeatedly entertain becomes a silent instruction to your subconscious. Over time, those instructions create your beliefs, your expectations, and ultimately your reality. That is why Dr. Joseph Murphy consistently emphasized the remarkable influence of the subconscious mind. When you fill your mind with fear, doubt, and limitation, your actions begin reflecting those emotions without you even realizing it. But when you deliberately replace those thoughts with confidence, purpose, gratitude, and determination, your subconscious begins working with you instead of against you. Imagine waking up every morning believing that your best days are still ahead of you. Imagine approaching every challenge with the quiet confidence that every obstacle contains an opportunity for growth. That mindset does not appear by accident. It is developed through daily choices. You may not control every circumstance that enters your life, but you always have control over the meaning you assign to those circumstances. One person sees failure as proof they should quit, while another sees the exact same experience as valuable preparation for future success. The difference is not talent, intelligence, or luck. The difference is perspective. Every difficult season is preparing you to become someone stronger than you were yesterday. Every disappointment carries a lesson that can shape your character if you are willing to learn from it. Instead of asking why life feels unfair, begin asking what this experience is teaching you. That single shift in thinking can completely change the direction of your future, because growth always begins when excuses finally come to an end. The moment you stop making excuses is the moment your future begins to change. This is not because life suddenly becomes easier, but because you become stronger than the problems standing in your way. Inspired by the enduring principles shared by Dr. Joseph Murphy, understand that every challenge you face is first won or lost within your own mind. Before success appears in your bank account, your career, your relationships, or your health, it must first exist in your thoughts. If your inner conversation is filled with fear, self-criticism, and hopelessness, your actions will naturally become hesitant and uncertain. However, when you deliberately train your mind to expect growth, opportunity, and progress, you begin making decisions that move your life in a completely different direction. This transformation does not require perfection. It simply requires consistency. Every day offers a new opportunity to replace one limiting belief with one empowering truth. Every positive decision, no matter how small, strengthens the foundation of the person you are becoming. Many people underestimate the power of small daily actions because they focus only on dramatic results. They forget that great achievements are built through ordinary habits repeated with extraordinary commitment. A single workout may not transform your body, but hundreds of workouts certainly will. One encouraging thought may not erase years of doubt, but thousands of encouraging thoughts can completely reshape your identity. Every meaningful accomplishment begins with one simple decision repeated again and again until it becomes part of your character. This is why discipline is more valuable than temporary motivation. Motivation rises and falls with emotion, but discipline continues even when emotions disappear. There will be mornings when you feel inspired and evenings when discouragement whispers that your efforts are meaningless. Those are the moments that truly define your future. The people who eventually succeed are not the ones who never experience doubt. They are the ones who continue moving despite it. They understand that feelings are temporary, but decisions create lasting results. Dr. Joseph Murphy often emphasized that your subconscious mind faithfully accepts what you repeatedly impress upon it. Therefore, if you constantly repeat thoughts of failure, your subconscious treats them as instructions. If you repeatedly affirm confidence, gratitude, and possibility while supporting those beliefs with consistent action, your subconscious begins guiding you toward opportunities that once seemed invisible. You start recognizing solutions instead of obstacles. You notice possibilities where others see limitations. You become more patient during setbacks because you understand that temporary failure is never a final destination. Every mistake becomes valuable feedback instead of permanent defeat. Imagine looking back 5 years from now, realizing that the hardest season of your life became the very reason you discovered your greatest strength. That future begins today, not through one extraordinary event, but through the quiet decision to think differently, act courageously, remain persistent, and believe that the life you desire is created one faithful step at a time, regardless of how slow your progress may seem today. Your future is being created by the choices you make today, not by the dreams you postpone until tomorrow. That is the hard truth that has the power to change your life forever. Inspired by the timeless principles associated with Dr. Joseph Murphy, remember that your destiny is not written by circumstances, but by the thoughts you repeatedly accept as true and the actions you consistently choose to take. Every sunrise gives you another opportunity to become a better version of yourself. You cannot rewrite yesterday, but you can absolutely decide what kind of person you will become from this moment forward. The greatest mistake many people make is believing they need perfect conditions before they can begin. They wait until fear disappears, until confidence magically arrives, or until someone gives them permission to pursue their dreams. Yet confidence is never the starting point. Confidence is the reward that comes after repeated action. Every courageous step strengthens your belief in yourself. Every challenge you overcome reminds you that you are far more capable than your fears ever allowed you to believe. The voice of doubt will always attempt to convince you that you are too late, too inexperienced, too ordinary, or too weak. Do not listen to that voice. It speaks from your past, not your future. Instead, train your mind to focus on possibility rather than limitation. Fill your thoughts with gratitude instead of complaints, purpose instead of distraction, and faith instead of fear. As Dr. Joseph Murphy taught, your subconscious mind faithfully responds to the ideas you repeatedly impress upon it. Therefore, guard your thoughts carefully because they eventually become your words, your actions, your habits, your character, and finally your destiny. Refuse to allow temporary setbacks to define your permanent identity. Every successful individual has experienced rejection, disappointment, uncertainty, and failure. The difference is that they refused to let those moments become the final chapter of their story. They kept learning, growing, adapting, and moving forward when others decided to quit. You possess that same ability. There is incredible strength already within you, waiting to be awakened through consistent belief and disciplined action. Do not underestimate the impact of one positive decision made today. One new habit can change a routine. One courageous conversation can change a relationship. One commitment to learning can change your career. One decision to believe in yourself can change the direction of your entire life. The future you desire is built one choice at a time, one thought at a time, and one day at a time. Begin now. Trust the process. Keep moving even when progress feels slow, because every faithful step is carrying you closer to the life you were created to live. The journey may test your patience, but it will also reveal your strength, your resilience, and your unlimited potential. If this message has inspired you, remember to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next motivational message designed to help you grow stronger, think bigger, and live with greater purpose every single day.